If you want to create a famous illusion diffusion art, simply open your web browser and type Hugging Face. Click on the first website, then scroll down and choose Illusion Diffusion. Upload your image and adjust the strength of the illusion. Now add your prompt. You can also try a negative prompt and click Run. Wait a few seconds, sometimes the website can be quite busy, so you might need to wait a few minutes and then try again. Now take a look and you will see our amazing illusion art is generated. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment below and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.